The first moon landing. A historic achievement on July 20, 1969. The Apollo 11 mission successfully landed humans on the moon for the first time in history. This event marked one of the greatest milestones in space exploration. The mission was carried out by NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, and included 3 astronauts: Neil Armstrong, Commander; Buzz Aldrin, Lunar Module Pilot; Michael Collins, Command Module Pilot. The spacecraft was launched on July 16, 1969, aboard a Saturn V rocket from Kennedy Space Center in Florida. It traveled over 240,000 miles to reach the moon, where Armstrong and Aldrin would make history by walking on its surface. Michael Collins remained in lunar orbit aboard the command module. When the lunar module, Eagle, touched down on the moon's surface in the Sea of Tranquility, Neil Armstrong became the first person to step onto the moon, delivering the iconic words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Buzz Aldrin joined Armstrong shortly after, and the 2 astronauts spent about 2 hours exploring the lunar surface, collecting samples, and setting up scientific instruments. After their exploration, Armstrong and Aldrin returned to the lunar module, and the astronauts traveled back to Earth aboard the command module. They safely returned to Earth on July 24, 1969, landing in the Pacific Ocean. The Apollo 11 mission fulfilled a challenge set by President John F. Kennedy in 1961 to land a man on the moon before the end of the 1960s. It was a triumph not only for the United States but for humanity as a whole, as it demonstrated the potential of space exploration and inspired generations to come. This historic landing remains one of the greatest achievements in human history, symbolizing our endless curiosity and drive to explore the unknown.